Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. This writ petition by way of public interest litigation is filed seeking a direction to the respondent number 1, Central Bureau of Investigation within bracket CBI to register a criminal case against the respondents 3 to 5 under the provisions of Indian Penal Code 1860 read with Prevention of Corruption Act 1988 and investigate into the colony licenses issued by the Department of Town and Country Planning, Haryana during 2005 to 2012 allegedly in contravention of the provisions of the Haryana Development and Regulations of Urban Areas Act 1975 as well as the alleged illegal land deals in the state of Rajasthan, creating huge loss to the public exchequer. Stop. The petitioner, who is an advocate by profession, has filed the petition in person. Stop. It is pleaded that the petitioner had made a representation dated 12/12/2013 to the Director of CBI seeking the aforesaid relief, but no action till date has been taken by the appropriate authorities. Stop. It is also pleaded that he had filed a writ petition with similar prayer before the Supreme Court and that the same was dismissed as withdrawn by order dated 28/10/2013. Stop. Para. We have heard the petitioner who appeared in person and perused the material available on record. Stop. The representation dated 12/12/2013 stated to have been made by the petitioner to the Director CBI New Delhi is placed on record as Annexure P3. Stop. A perusal of the same shows that it was made on the basis of the newspaper reports stating that the respondent number 4 through some companies had bought several hundred acres of land in Rajasthan much above the permissible limit of 175 acres in 2009 itself. That in September 2010 the state government amended the Rajasthan Imposition of Ceiling on Agricultural Holdings Act 1973, scrapping the ceiling on land with retrospective effect and making legal all previous acquisition of land that the respondent number 4 had subsequently sold the land purchased by him in the year 2009 for over 6 times the price for the purpose of solar power projects in Rajasthan, and that the state government in bringing an amendment to the Land Ceiling Act and proposing to build solar power projects had acted in collusion with the respondent number 4. Stop. The allegation relating to grant of colony licenses in Haryana was also made on the basis of newspaper report dated 10/8/2013, wherein it was mentioned that one IAS officer of Haryana by name Ashok Khemka submitted 100 pages report to the government stating that the respondent number 4 had falsified the documents and executed a series of sham transactions for 3.53 acres of land in Gurgaon, thereby pocketing a hefty premium on a commercial colony license, and that he was favored in the said transactions by the Department of Town and Planning, Haryana. Stop. The allegations is that the colony licenses issued by DTCP, thereby permitting the developers oblique builders, including respondent number 3, thereby permitting conversion of about 21,366 acres of land is contrary to the provisions of Haryana Development and Regulation of Urban Areas Act 1975, and that the same has resulted in serious financial loss of about rupees 3.9 lakh crores to the public exchequer. Stop.